This conference will now be recorded.
Hi everyone, welcome to this another video in Market Talk YouTube channel. Hope it was a profitable trading day. So before going into the video, let's see disclaimer. Please note that the views mentioned here are my personal opinion. In case you take a trade based on my opinion and incur loss, I will not be responsible. Please consult a financial advisor before taking your trades. Let's go to the charts and understand what happened today. So today, if you see Bank Nifty has closed below previous day low. There's a first weakness point. Okay, once we close below this big candle, mother candle, then we can see some confirmation. That's the first thing for Bank Nifty. Second thing, in case of Nifty, we formed a doji, but we need to close below this candle here, at least close below previous day low. That is a must. The first confirmation of weakness, 873. This level is the confirmation for any weakness in the Nifty. Then we can see the gap filling happening here. This first gap will get filled, and then second gap. Once we fill this gap, then quickly we can go to this 11,300 also. So get ready for that, but we have to wait. We have to wait for that. Maybe possibly that even possible we can get on expiry day also. Okay, but FI data is not giving confirmation directly, but indirectly giving confirmation. Let us see that also. Before that, we will see the charts. Today what happened here, because today the range is very low actually, lowest in the last 18 trading days actually. Now in the McGinley 200 we now crossed here actually below this, and now sell signal in the power of 2 in the Bank Nifty. And if you see last 10 minutes only, we got this sell signal also close. Some weakness is there, but confirmation below 23,000 only is there. And in case of Nifty, the McGinley 200 is here and McGinley 20 is here. Once we cross below 11,930, at least 11,900, then we can cut confirmation from Nifty, and confirmation from both Nifty and Bank Nifty can give a trending move on the downside. Just wait for the confirmation of Nifty sustaining below 9,900, 11,900 levels. That's the confirmation. And today also below the go short level, keep selling calls, 12,000 calls. It is a very good trade. So just see these levels, the technical levels works very nicely. Once we go below go short, sell the calls, because you have enough cushion. If you make mistake also, you have a cushion because you're selling calls, you're not buying puts. Let us go to the Ichimoku cloud setup. In the cloud setup, the same thing. Hell Fisher yet to give a sell signal. Just to get ready for that. Possible we'll get a reversal very quickly. And once a big trend on the downside form only below the cloud actually. So possibly we may be getting some down move after some time. We need to get confirmation. At least 10% Kijun-sen, we need to get a crossover. That's the first confirmation. If you see Bank Nifty, we just exited the cloud and then immediately we are getting into the cloud. The weakness is there for Bank Nifty, and Hell Fisher is giving confirmation that a reversal is happening. So don't be in long side now. You should be on the short side. If you see here earlier also, exactly here the Hell Fisher gave a sell signal. Now here also we're getting sell signal. Tomorrow during the day you can watch the sell signal confirmation coming here. So the bottom of the cloud is 23,000, or roughly 23,000. Once we sustain below 23,000 levels, then quickly we can get a 2,000 points movement also on the downside for Bank Nifty. So get ready for the move in the Bank Nifty for 2,000 points roughly in the second half of this month. Now let us go to the second setup, Bollinger Band. Now once Bollinger Band confirmation is there for Nifty below the previous day low, means at least this low, 11,000, what is it, 897, 867. Once we get, then we should reach this middle of the Bollinger Band here. That's the first breakdown of the Nifty. And in case of Bank Nifty, here 22,000 is the first support for Bank Nifty. In case we break this mother candle also, okay, quickly we'll get 1,000 points in the Bank Nifty, because this is the first swing formation, swing high, earlier swing high. We are making lower high. This is the first high, earlier high, and now we are making lower high. In case of breakdown, lower low forms, means then we should go around 19,000. This low will be broken. Let us wait for that and just take the trade here short the calls on every rise. That's the only thing you could do. So this is the call. When you are taking a selection of the strike price, this strike price you should take. Okay, like 24,000 and the highest strike price wherever the call open interest is there. That's what you have to take. Then third setup, Heikin Ashi now momentum has come down. Now we are getting a open equal to high is not forming. All this is open equal to low was forming all these days. Now there is no open equal to low. Now we are getting about to get a red candle. Once the red candle comes, then bindas you can go for shorting. And in case of Bank Nifty, we are getting a doji form in the Heikin Ashi candle. Once you get a red candle tomorrow, looks like possible that as I mentioned in the Astro View also, Wednesday, Thursday look to be some red candle day. So get ready for that and short the calls or buy the puts, whatever. But buying puts will have needs more accuracy. Instead, you can go for shorting the call options. That's the best thing. Then let's go for the fourth chart setup. 5-day high EMA. So 5-day high EMA. Now we have tested the 5-day high. Now the 5-day low will be the support. Once you break this 11,763, then you can be on the short side continuously on the positional basis also. In case of Bank Nifty, we now into the consolidation zone here between the 5-day high EMA, low EMA. 23,156 is the final support. Once you break 23,150 or 23,000 levels, then it is be sure short for shorts. You can don't keep any longs at all. You have to exit longs. This is a signal you are getting already in the Bank Nifty. The first signal close below the previous day low. Second signal will be this 5-day low, 5-day low EMA. Okay, you are getting signals step by step. If you miss this signal and then continues to hold longs, then you have to cut your longs at a big loss. So because Bank Nifty is a big elephant, okay, more than elephant, lion, you can tell. Now let's go to the key data. So coming to the key data, open interest. You see here, FIs are still holding 50,000 contracts, but there is a clause you have to see. See now, FIs are holding 50,000 contracts, same like yesterday, but they are cut down stock futures. 10,000 contracts they are cut down here. You see here, they've been holding. I mentioned here earlier also, like 2.5 lakh contracts they used to hold future stock. Before that, 4 lakh, 5 lakhs, 5.6 lakhs, 6 lakhs. They used to hold in the end of June, like beginning of June, 6.3 lakhs of stock futures. Now they are cut down by 75%. Now they're holding just 1,50,000 contracts. Okay, now this is the way how they dumped the stock futures on the retailers and the FIs, so DIs. Now for 55,000 index future longs, they are holding double that in the put option. So this is a put option for the cash stocks what they're holding and also for the index which they're holding. So people, many retailers, what they do possibly they'll see this index futures, their long position and maintain the long positions and then get trapped. You have to see holistically what is the stock futures, what is the index put option, and what is the index futures, and you have to make a story of this. That's they'll understand what is their game plan. And here long call option also they're holding, maybe possibly they're holding some out of the money call options, which is say 10 rupees, 5 rupees, that also be considered as a call option. So seeing this, maybe we think that this is a call option they're holding, they are call long on the market. That should not be consideration. Okay, if they hold even 73,000 contracts of 1 rupee each, 2 rupee each also, it doesn't matter actually, it doesn't have any value. Just for the matter of counting, it will be shown as 73,000 with some small value only for them. Okay, so coming to the open interest here, 24,000 call remains to be highest open interest, 11.7 lakhs open interest. So 24,000 will be the first resistance for the Bank Nifty to cross. Then the bottom 23,500 is support. So now the range is set between 23,500 and 24,000. Now in case tomorrow market moves on, watch for 23,500 how they react. Once this is broken, then 23,000 will be straight down, move on the downside, 23,000. So these are the two levels you have to watch for tomorrow. In case of Nifty, 12,000 call and 11,800 put. These two things you should see. 12,500 call doesn't have any relevance here. 12,000 call and 11,800 put is what you have to see. Once 11,800 put writers are covering the positions, then downside move can be quickly on the downside. And as of now, also Singapore Nifty showing some negative move. Let us see tomorrow how it will accelerate. Let us go to the Lakshman Rekha. Lakshman Rekha indicating that we are 450 points above the Lakshman Rekha and 1,200 points above the Lakshman Rekha for Bank Nifty. In case of weekly midpoint, we are 250 points above weekly midpoint for Nifty and 450 points above midpoint for the Bank Nifty. So 23,000 will be very, very crucial level. All the long position will cut their positions here and create short once you sustain below 23,000 levels. So keep a close watch on 23,000 levels. This is very, very important. Now the levels for tomorrow is 23,348 is the short breakout. So just above this one. So once we break this 23,348, 23,000 puts will fly like anything. 23,777 is a long breakout. So any calls you want to short means you can short for 23,700 calls. This is the way safe. Okay, 23,300, 23,700. These two are the important levels note and strike price also. And in case of Nifty, 11,900 puts and 12,000 calls. These two you should see. If you're buying put option also, this is what you have to focus. And then buying calls, this is the what you have to focus. But the position looks to be very weak actually. We have to see how the things turn out, because once you break this level, we'll get fast move on the downside. Coming to the day-wise rates, if you see Bank Nifty today, the range was almost like 390 only. In the last 18 days, you can see in the last 18 days, never we had so much a small range actually. If you see here, the last time was 17 September where we had 314 points. After 18 days, now we are having a smallest range. So the once 18 days range is slow means that is like a the rubber band. No, you're pulling that and push that string, like bow and arrow. Okay, now releasing it will be very fast momentum on which side it is breaking out. So just watch out for Bank Nifty. Big move, trending move is on the other side. So in case tomorrow we are going to break 23,000 levels, swiftly we can see 1,000 point movement also on downside very quickly. So don't leave the opportunity. In case of Nifty, if you see today Nifty also, like the range was very less actually in the last 7 days. Earlier on 1st October 103 points was there, 103 points. Now again it was 104 points. Like last 7 trading days, now this is the lowest point. So another trending move on the downside possible in case of Nifty. Upside looks very chance is less actually, but downside there is a chance of going down very fast. 100 points, 150 points move is possible. Midpoint chart indicating that a swing reversal has come. Earlier also we got reversal swing and then you moved on the upside. So now 23,903 swing, if you are midpoint, if you are breaking, then again we can continue on the long side. Till we don't break 23,903 swing, this midpoint, you can bindas go on the downside for the short positions. This is a mantra for you to hold your short positions. And in case of Nifty, if you see exactly there's a tug of war between bulls and bears going on here. 11.9, there is a line now 941. Definitely the swing low has formed here 11.937. Tomorrow there is high chance that we'll make a lower swing also below 11,900 for the midpoint. So keep a close tab on this. Nifty will get confirmation of making a swing below 11,900. Buy put option, month end expiry 11,500 put possibly. That will be a very good opportunity. Holding that we can get good moves, but you can be buying next week expiry also, weekly expiry also. It will give good returns. Coming to the PCR, we've been continuously this is a 15th expiry. So we are maintaining the same levels for Nifty 0.95 and Bank Nifty has gone to 0.71. Okay, possibly this time we'll get last time what happened last week expiry, remember 8th October, now we went to 1.2 on the higher side. Now this time possibly we can go on the lower side. Now 0.71, we went to 0.5 also. Remember once we went to 0.5 also on 1st October. On 1st October, let me just show you 1st October 1.57 event. Okay, 1st October. Now let us see 15th October. So 15th October 0.71. There is a possibility we can go to 0.57 also, which expiry will remember actually. Now volatility, coming to the volatility. Now highest, the low is possible 23,000 levels and highest 24,000 levels. This is 1,000 points range. Tomorrow anything possible we can break. Higher chances for 23,000 levels considering the Astro view also. So try to be on the short side, remain short side, keeping the midpoint as the resistance. And in case of Nifty 12,148, very far. I don't expect this to be broken tomorrow or this week expiry. 11,750 is the level. Okay, this is the lowest points formation, and P ratio is very high, 34.7 for Nifty and Bank Nifty 26 levels. So Nifty can correct more actually compared to Bank Nifty. So be cautious on Nifty long positions if you have anything. So that's the thing all about today. So hope you like the video. Please subscribe, like the channel. I'll come with you on my new views. I hope yesterday you saw the video on how to import F1 open interest data. Hope you like that video also. Thank you.